Thank you for using Draw My California Community. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the drawing tools to create your community map. To view the drawing tools, click the arrow next to the words Draw Your Community to expand this section. When you open Draw My California Community, the Move Map tool will already be enabled. Use the Move Map tool by clicking down and holding anywhere on the map. Drag the map to a new location. For this demonstration, we'll be drawing a community map in Berkeley. Once you have found the location of your community on the map, you are ready to start drawing. The rest of the drawing tools will help you add areas to your community map. Use these tools to highlight areas on the map that represent the location of your community. The areas that you highlight will become part of your community map. Choose your drawing tool by clicking on the icon that represents the tool you'd like to use. When you choose a tool, the background of the icon will change colors. To use the Add by Clicking tool, click on shapes on the map to highlight them. Use the Add by Rectangle tool by clicking and holding down as you drag the mouse to draw a rectangle over the map. When you unclick, everything inside of or touching the rectangle will highlight and become a part of your community map. Use the Add by Freehand tool by clicking, holding, and drawing any shape on the map. When you unclick, everything inside of or touching the shape will highlight and become part of your community map. If you want to erase an area from your map, use the Remove Area tool. Use this tool by clicking on individual shapes you want to remove, or use it to draw a rectangle over the area you want to erase. The Undo and Redo buttons will undo and redo changes you make to your map. Click Undo to undo one or more changes to your map, and click Redo to bring back changes that were just undone. Add, and if needed, remove area until the shape you've created on your map represents where your community is located. Remember, you can use more than one drawing layer to complete your map. Once you have completed your community map and answered the questions in the Describe Your Community section, you are ready to submit your community directly to the California Citizens Redistricting Commission. To learn more about using Draw My California Community, check out our user guide by clicking the link below. Thank you for your participation in this important process.